Stuck with error code WS-116522-7 on PS5 and the latest version of system software is not recognized and the update failed. Don't panic. You are just a few steps away from fixing it. Here is how to get your PS5 back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are tackling PS5 Error WS-116522-7, a common issue that pops up when you have issues updating the software. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your internet connection. When you encounter PS5 Error WS-116522-7, first check that you have a stable internet connection. Then try to install the updates. First, connect the PS5 to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. Next, run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can restart the router or modem and your PS5 device to check if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Update the system software via internet. Once you are connected to a stable internet connection, install the updates via internet. To do so, open Settings on your PS5, then go to System. Next, select System Software. Head to System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, click Update using the internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to update and install the software. Method 3. Update via USB. If you cannot update via internet, then update via USB. Here is what you need to do. On your PC, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive. Make sure the USB drive has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Include this folder. Create another folder, then name it as Update. Now download the update file. The link is provided in the description below so you can copy and paste it from there. Make sure there is 1.1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the update file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the update file, check that the folder names and file name are correct. Make sure to use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 4. Sign out and sign in back into your PSN account. If you still couldn't install the updates, sign out, then sign in back to your PSN account and then install the updates. Here is how to do that. Head to PS5 settings, select users and accounts, click on other. Choose sign out and then sign back into your PSN account. Method 5. Check for hardware issues. The next thing you should check is that there are no hardware issues that can be responsible for the problem. Ensure all cables connecting your PS5 to your TV or monitor and the router are properly plugged in and secured. Any loose connection can cause connectivity issues that can prevent the updating process. Check for any visible damage or wear on the cables. Replace if necessary. Method 6. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation support for further assistance. And that's it. Those are the most efficient ways to fix error code WS-116522-7. If one of these methods worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more straightforward help. Drop a comment to share what worked for you. It might just help someone else in the community. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.